Hello there and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at adjectives. So let's dive in. Adjectives are descriptive words and they describe the noun in context. Adjectives are descriptive words and they describe the noun in context. Adjectives usually answer the questions like which, what kind of, how many, and others. Adjectives usually answer the questions like which, what kind of, how many, and others. For example, the little boy, a new toy, enough meatloaf. The little boy, a new toy, enough meatloaf. Types of adjectives. Number 1, attributive. Attributives are the ones that come right before the word or words they modify. Example, the old man asked a question. That is a good book. I found an old black cotton sweater. Attributives are the ones that come right before the word or words they modify. Example, the old man asked a question. That is a good book. I found an old black cotton sweater. Number 2, we have appositive. Appositives come after the words they modify. They are usually used in pairs. Appositives come after the words they modify. They are usually used in pairs. Example, the woman, beautiful and smart. So we have here the appositives, beautiful and smart, knew what she was doing. The woman, beautiful and smart, knew what she was doing. The winner, tired but happy, waved and smiled. So we have here appositive, tired but happy. Take note that appositive usually used in pairs like this, beautiful and smart, tired but happy. Next, we have here number 3, predicate. Predicates come after verb to be or after linking verbs. Predicates come after verb to be or after linking verbs. They come at the end of the sentence and they modify the subject. They come at the end of the sentence and they modify the subject. For example, the tickets are expensive. The tickets are expensive. She looked old. She looked old. The oven felt hot. The oven felt hot. He was young and shy. He was young and shy. So as you can see, predicate comes at the end of the sentence and they modify the subject. Young and shy modify the subject. He and hot modify the subject. Oven. And we have here old, which modify the subject she, and expensive, which modify the subject tickets. The order of adjectives. The first order is positive degree. Positive degree expresses a quality without a comparison. Example, the twins are smart. The twins are smart. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. The book is old. So we have here positive degree smart, tall, and old. Next degree is comparative degree. Comparative degree used to compare things to each other. Let's look at the table below. We have here first form, use, and example. So we have here the ER form. The use of the ER form is for shorter adjectives. Shorter adjectives, 1 syllable or 2. Alright? For example, hotter area. So we double the last letter here, T, and add ER, hotter area, to compare things to each other. Warmer water. So we have here a positive degree warm, and then we add ER to compare. To compare two things or to compare things. Warmer water, hotter area. Alright? Next form is we have the more. More is used for longer adjectives, and it is used for two or more syllables. Example, more interesting subject. More interesting subject. So we have here interesting consists of two or more syllables. More interesting subject. More comfortable couch. More comfortable couch. And another form, which is more. Use of more here is for adjectives that end with ed or ing and the s, even if they are one syllable. Alright? Example, I am more tired. I am more tired. As you can see, tired here ends in ed, and it has only a tired has only one syllable. I am more tired. More boring book. More boring book. Alright? So, example here. Fred is taller than Barney. So, as you can see, tall is our positive degree, and we add ER to compare Fred and Barney, and we have here then after the comparative degree taller. Fred is taller than Barney. Another example, he is the more aggressive of the two. So he is the more aggressive of the two. We are comparing here two people. Alright? He is the more aggressive of the two. Another example, Barney is smarter than Fred. Barney is smarter than Fred. Alright? So we have here smart as our positive degree, and we add ER to compare two people. Alright? Barney is smarter than Fred. And last example here, climbing is more tiring than running. Climbing is more tiring than running. The third order of adjective is superlative degree. Superlative degree is the highest or the lowest degree when comparing two or more things or people. Superlative is the highest or the lowest degree when comparing two or more things or people. The inflectional suffix for superlative degree is est. The inflectional suffix for superlative degree is est. Longer superlatives usually take most instead of est. Longer superlatives usually take most instead of est. Example, this is the brightest room in the house. This is the brightest room in the house. Duncan is the tallest player on the team. Duncan is the tallest player on the team. Brittany is the most beautiful girl in the class. Brittany is the most beautiful girl in the class. Article the is used with superlative adjectives since it is definite. Definite thing or person. What's being talked about. The article the is used with superlative adjectives since it is definite. What's being talked about. Absolute adjectives. You either have the quality or you don't. There is no comparison. Dead, perfect, round. You either have the quality or you don't. There is no comparison. Dead, perfect, round. You can't be deader than someone else who is only dead. You can't be deader than someone else who is only dead. Some absolute adjectives. Some absolute adjectives. Absolute. Absolute. Square. Square. Basic. Basic. Essential. Essential. Certain. Certain. Unique. Unique. Complete. Complete. Meaningful. Meaningful. Empty. Empty. Harmless. Harmless. Entire. Entire. Immortal. Immortal. Devoid. Devoid. Full. Full. Excellent. Excellent. Obvious. Obvious. Fatal. Fatal. Pure. Pure. Final. Final. Superior. Superior. Deal. Deal. Ultimate. Ultimate. Perfect. Perfect. Universal. Universal. Informally, to emphasize or metaphorically, you may hear people say, I am more dead. This one is whiter. But they are misusing absolute adjectives. So there you go, guys. That's the end of this video about adjectives. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do share, like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.